So RCADDICT's back with one of the best tips in FPV and proof.
Freak, are you kidding me?
Oh God, why is my moonlight kit crapped out? What's going on? I wired it all up right. Better write it down. Complain. Oh man, that flight controller's crap. Don't get that brand. It burned motors out on me. Complain. User errors. So in 5 minutes, I'm going to prove to you how I almost got caught out and made a big mistake, because a man who never made a mistake never made anything, did he? Keep watching. Now I have 4 minutes of your valuable time to prove to you, to show you why my build would have been the biggest mistake and biggest error ever.
Freak, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Now before we start blaming, we have to do our research. Now we know that 4K 60 frames per second recording and video transmitters use a lot of current. So for this demonstration I am using the Walksnail Moonlight Kit and this sexy ass Mamba F722 with the Reactor 66 amp ESC, which I did a video on about the internal BEC switch. Now have a butcher's at this from the great Oscar Lang. Check it out. So this is Oscar's Moonlight Kit stats at 25 milliwatts output power. Now we know as voltage rises, the current gets less. Most flight controllers have 9 volt or 10, so let's have a look at this bad boy's 9 volt current draw, with it recording in its maximum state. Wakey, only 2 more minutes left. So that's 1.55 amps, and we haven't even come out of standby mode yet. Bosh! So at 1000 milliwatts, 1.8 amps. So everything's just so plug and play nowadays, isn't it? You know what I mean? Just get your VRX, VTX, DJI, just get a lead and plug it in your DJI port on your flight controller. Load a preset, jobs are good and sweet. Or is it? So take a look at these flight controllers. I just randomly picked them. You might be surprised. Oh, and by the way, Mr. AI Inspector, I do have a TV license, alright? So the first flight controller, the very expensive T-Motor Velux 7 SE. And look at the BEC, 10 volts, 1.5 amps. So we say... Next we have the Goku F722 Pro V2 with a sexual 10 volt 3 amp BEC. Now let's say you were a total noob and you were building your first drone. Check this one out. The iFlight Blitz F722 with look at all them connectors. You are going to be very disappointed. Because look, it has no BEC, it's just a pass-through. So, if you read this, you're going to blow stuff up. Which brings me on to mine, what I've done with the Moonlight Kit, because my sexy ass Mamba Reactor F722 4th generation stack has only got a 2 amp BEC, and I ain't risking 2 amps. With 1.8 amps, nah, doesn't even say 1200, does it? That's too close. With 4 cell in, it will be success to a BEC which is actually switched by a 5 volt. The BEC is 3 amp 12 volts, so So that will power the Moonlight camera with 12 volts and let it have 3 amps of current, which it shouldn't need. So I'm powering this and I've got it at 5 volt, so 0.5 amps is as low as it will go, but all this is doing is switching. Okay, so this will be on your controller, so your pin IO, your resource pin, and TX will switch this 5 volt. This is the proper way to power it up, hopefully. So start and bosh, the light goes on and do the greens. Yep, that is holding at 11.8 volts in the goggles. Now if you've enjoyed that, please put your thumb up, because that has taken a lot of effort and I am absolutely cream crackers knackered. Take care, see you later, RC Addict.